Good night, my name is Isabel Bolivar. I'm married. My husband is Andres Hoya. I have 30 years old. I live in the Bogota city. I study business administration. I like see movies and I like sing. Okay, now I'm going to present the place. Name, Jose Celestino Muris Botanical Garden. Location, it is located in Bogota next to Simon Bolivar Park on Street 63 with car 68. Importance, it is a research center where studies are being carried out to understand both rural and urban ecosystems. Additional is a public entity with function in the arborization of the city, which seeks to ensure that the plant cover of Bogota is of quality. Type of place. It is one of the representative places of the city for the ecosystem service and for the cultural and educational processes that take place there. Description. It is the largest botanical garden in Colombia, located in Bogota. He received his name in honor of the astronomer and botanist Jose Celestino Muris, who was the first man to study fully the natural science in Nueva Granada. The emblem of the garden is the flower of Muris. Invitation to classmates of visit. I invite you to know the Jose Celestino Muris Botanical Garden first. First, it's wonderful, it's beautiful, and very relaxing. In addition, you can see the oldest plant of the planet. Second, knowing the area of exploitation and natural resource is of great cultural and education. Third, for the unique and fantastic collection of exotic plants, and many more things that only find them in this place so exemplary, fantastic, and full of culture and learning. Thank you very much.